Hi friends, this video shows how to replace the battery of clamp meter. First we need to take off the battery cover. So here you can see one screw, we need to remove it. Then just push down, then open it. So this is a battery. So we can just remove it like this. So this is a 9 volt battery. So let me change it. So this is a new battery. Okay, then close the cover. Okay, done. So let me test it. See, it's working. So this way we can replace battery of this clamp meter. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.